Hi, I'm here to demonstrate a knocking sound coming from the progressive automation actuator. The specific actuator is part number PA-14-8-150, and I have a 12-volt power supply here. So what I'm going to do is just reverse those power leads to extend the actuator. Okay, now I'm going to reverse the leads and retract the actuator. Okay, now I'm gonna disconnect this actuator and power up a good actuator, at least one that doesn't create that knocking noise. It's a different part number, it's a smaller stroke. This is a 5-inch stroke instead of an 8-inch, but it's the same PA14 series actuator. Now I'm going to reverse the leads to retract it. Okay, now this third actuator I'm going to power up is an 8-inch throw, and it just appears to be noisier than the rest of the actuators, so I wanted to record this as well and determine whether or not this actuator needs to be replaced. Okay, this one actually seems to be quieter than what I remembered. Okay, so that's the noise I was referring to. Got a bit of a scratchy type of noise. I'm going to reverse the leads. So it seems like the noise only occurs when it's extending, but when it's retracting, it's less noticeable. So there you have it.